Hi, my name is Gabrielle Breen. I'm an extern in the transactional department at Adam Liebman Bailey, and I am a 3L at Syracuse University College of Law. My interview process was pretty quick overall. I really liked it in the fact that it wasn't just an attorney that interviewed me, it was actually an extern who sat through the interview process as well, and that extern actually went to Syracuse. So I went in a little bit scared, but knowing that there was someone on the other side that actually went through the same process I did was reassuring. So day-to-day kind of differs in the fact that I come in the morning and I don't have a set task or set things to do, and I just go to Jason, who's a great supervisor, to figure out what I should do for the day. So one day I could be doing or drafting UCC 1s. The next day I could go to a closing. It depends on the week, it depends on the workload, but it's overall different, and I really enjoy that in the fact that I could do different things every day, and there's so much to do, like due diligence, UCC 1s, reviewing contracts, closing documents, and other stuff. I know in my transactional department at least that Rosemary and Jason are the top of the field, and if I had any questions to ask, they were great with their answers, and they'd help me with anything in the process of doing work for them as well, which was really nice to know that I had a friend and a figure to look up to in the legal field. I think with this externship, the most valuable part would be the practical experience that I've gained. With other externships, it's been more restrained in the fact where you're not going to closings. You're not actually doing hands-on work with the documents that are going to real clients. But here, it's, you're immersed in it, and I think that's really great. Yes, I would definitely recommend this externship to someone else. I think what I would tell to someone who's just starting out here would be, I would say, don't be afraid to ask questions. And also, if you have questions that you still think there's more to, maybe talk to your supervisor or Adam about it, and they have a wealth of knowledge, and you could really go into any topic that you want to here with real estate. I mean, I just did something, I asked Jason about a wire fraud issue the other day that had just very little to do with something that we were going over, but he was great in explaining everything that I needed to know about it, and now I have that knowledge with me for life. I would say the environment here is extremely welcoming. From the first day, I walked in, I was a little nervous, but everyone from the staff to the attorneys were great, from introducing themselves, making me feel welcome, showing me around the office. That really goes a long way for a new extern. And Adam is also great. He really knows what he's talking about, and you really can come to him with any questions and he'd be happy to answer it. He expects the best, so that's why you have to ask all the questions to make sure what you're giving him is the best as well.